You know what happened on Maggie's first day at daycare? The first step of entering daycare was a safety check. Maggie was told to take out everything she had on her, and then the staff checked her for lice. After that, they put a helmet on Maggie and tested her intelligence. Unfortunately, Maggie's IQ was only average, so she couldn't get into the gifted class and was sent to the regular classroom where a group of babies were drawing. Maggie wanted to join them, but they had taken all the nice colors. Just then, a butterfly appeared in front of Maggie, but the next second it was squashed by the one-brow baby. Maggie noticed a caterpillar on the ground. To keep the one-brow baby from finding it, she hid the caterpillar on her own eyebrow. The one-brow baby didn't notice anything unusual. As soon as he left, Maggie escaped with the caterpillar. She found a book in a room about how caterpillars turn into butterflies. At that moment, she realized the caterpillar had already spun a cocoon. Maggie tried to protect it from the one-brow baby, but he was already right in front of her. Maggie ran away with the caterpillar. A toy train blocked the one-brow baby's path. Maggie tried to call for help, only to find the phone was just a toy. She walked into a room full of toddlers. The one-brow baby kicked another baby, and a walker crashed into Maggie, breaking a flower pot. But at that exact moment, the butterfly finally emerged from the cocoon. Maggie tried to throw the butterfly out the window, but it got stuck in the curtains. All of Maggie's efforts ended up being in vain. She lay sadly on the floor until Marge came to pick her up. The one-brow baby waved goodbye to her, but when he pulled back the curtains, he realized it wasn't a butterfly at all, because the real butterfly was now on Maggie's head.